Baking soda is among the most effective and versatile ingredients you can use. It is remarkable for your entire household but also offers incredible effects as a cosmetic product. Namely, numerous women around the world use baking soda in one magnificent facial mask and enjoy its numerous advantages. Initially, we advise you to review the declarations of the cosmetic products you already have at home. If you do, you will notice that they all, even the most expensive ones, contain baking soda, apart from the numerous chemicals. Therefore, don't you think it is perfectly wise to simply avoid those chemicals and use baking soda completely naturally? The following facial mask is incredible for the skin on your face, and it effectively helps you get rid of the swollen eyelids, the dark circles around the eyes, as well as the eye bags. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 cup lukewarm chamomile tea. All you need to do is to add the baking soda to the tea. Then, soak a cosmetic sponge or a cotton pad in the mixture and place it under your eyes. Leave it to act for around 15 minutes. Afterward, wash it off and apply some moisturizing cream or some anti-wrinkle essential oil, like coconut oil. If you repeat this treatment regularly, you will soon solve these issues and your face will be rejuvenated and fresh like never before.